this assignment, you're going to simulate what happens during a chemical reaction, and we're going to use the chemical equation to help us. At the top of each slide, you'll notice the chemical equation, which I'm highlighting in yellow just to kind of point it out to you. I'm going to undo that. On the left side of the equation, you will see your reactants written first as molecular formulas, N2 and 3H2. And underneath each molecular formula, you can see it drawn out as a picture of the molecule. Here's a molecule of N2, and here are 3 molecules of H2. The first thing that you have to do is fill out the chart that's on the bottom of the reactant side. The chart wants you to fill in the total number of atoms of nitrogen on the reactant side and the total number of atoms of hydrogen on the reactant side of the equation. This is quite simple. When I look over here at the reactant side of the equation, I see only 2 nitrogen atoms, 1, 2. I'll fill that into the chart. And I see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 hydrogen atoms. I'll fill that into my chart. Now it's time to simulate the chemical reaction. So when N2 reacts with 3H2, that means that the molecules cause each other to break apart into individual atoms. So we can just kind of simulate that by jumbling everything up. So we have our individual atoms. Those atoms are not happy this way. They are going to find new partners and join with them to make new molecules or our new products. In this case, the new products we can see according to the molecular formula, and I should probably highlight that in purple. The new products are 2 molecules of NH3. So it's your job to build that correctly. We need to build 2 molecules of NH3. We're going to take these individual atoms. I'll start building my first molecule of NH3 over here. And then I will build my second molecule of NH3. The last step is to fill out the chart showing the total number of nitrogen atoms and total number of hydrogen atoms on the product side of the equation. I'll start with nitrogen. I see 1 nitrogen, 2 nitrogen atoms. I'll fill that into my chart. And then I'll count my hydrogen atoms. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And I'll fill that into my chart. So when you're done, you should have both charts filled in, and you should have created the products by using the atoms from the reactant side. And that's it. Once you've done that, you move on to the next slide.